Yeah. Welcome to Business Objects online demo session. Myself, Madhukar Reddy. I have 12 plus years of experience in business objects. One second, please. Okay, I have 12 plus years of experience in a business object. Currently, I'm working as a business object architect in a Bangalore location. Okay, I work with the different versions of the BO from older version to the latest version. The older version, which is 6.5, the current version of the BO is a 4.2. So in our training, we are discussing 4.1 and 4.2. Both the versions we are going to consider in our training. And also, I work with different backend sources, which is non-SAP source and SAP sources. I work with SAP sources as a BW. So you can consider developing a reports on top of the BW system is nothing but a BW integration with BO. How we can develop a report or dashboard by connecting to the BW system. And also I have completed 3 end-to-end implementation of the SAP HANA with BO projects, where the SAP HANA is an in-memory database where we can develop a reports on by connecting to the SAP HANA sources. How to develop a reports and dashboard by connecting to the SAP HANA sources. And also I work with developing reports on Oracle and SQL Server Terra databases also. So which you can consider non-SAP BO, where you can develop a report by connecting to the Oracle and SQL Server database. So in this training, I am going to cover creating a universe designing on top of non-SAP sources like Oracle and SQL Server as well. Okay. Also, I work with some Cognos and BI other reporting tools also, and the ETL tool is the BODS. So this is my experience. And I work with the different domains in my experience, which is telecom, sales, banking, and HRMS. And in our training, I'm going to cover end-to-end implementation on the sales project, where I'm going to discuss creating reports on the sales project. So we have a set of tables are there. Using those sales table, I'm going to cover the end-to-end implementation. Kind of gathering the report requirement, understand the report template, and designing the universe, and analyzing the sales system, sales database, and developing the reports, and how to give the access particular reports, whatever we implement it, and give the access to the reports. How user going to access the reports, and how user get the scheduled reports to their email box. So that is considered end-to-end implementation of the project, which we are going to cover in this training. Okay, Raghu, you have any questions? Yeah, can you just give me a brief idea about yourself? Raghu, I think you are in a mute. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Madhu, is in the BI tools, can we cover the Q-Link view and some other reporting tools like?
ClickView, Tableau, we are not going to cover. We are covering only the business objects reporting tool.
Power BI?
No.
So
Power BI is.
Yeah.
We are going to cover the business objects reporting tool.
Okay, so the business intelligence and business objects both will cover, right?
Correct. BA or BO both are same.
Okay.
SAP,
so,
BA, BO. SAP business intelligence and business objects is both are same.
Okay. I just want to understand from the market perspective, which is more demandable one. It's like some reporting tools from the SAP side.
Okay. For SAP, you can consider only the business objects tool.
Okay. So business objects tool, what all are topics will be covered in the course content?
Yes, yes. In the course content, if you look at here, so BO itself is having multiple flavors of the reporting tool. Okay.
Hmm.
So those all reporting tools which I am going to cover in this training. Okay. Let's
Okay.
say talking
IDT.
about the yeah.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah. IDT, UDT, and HANA.
Mhm.
Servers. So, is there any basic knowledge is required from the SAP perspective or Oracle SQL or
No.
SQL?
Basic SQL knowledge is required. Even who do not have the basic SQL knowledge, I'm going to cover those topics. How to connect to the database, how to view the database tables, and how to analyze the data by connecting to the different table, how to make a relation between the two different table or three, four different table, how to fetch the data from multiple tables, fact tables and dimension tables. Okay, so that all knowledge is required, but anyway, most of them they do not have this kind of knowledge. So as a part of the training, I am going to cover that basic knowledge of the database. Okay, which is we are covering the SQL Server DB.
Okay. So, Oracle is the database, right, for this SAP also?
SQL Server we are using SQL Server database we are using here.
Okay.
Okay, so we can
Yeah.
use any of the database here for business objects, and which can access the any of the sources, either SAP or non-SAP sources.
For the real time, which database will be considered for the real time? It's mostly Oracle or SQL Server.
Okay, I'll tell you. See, basically developing a reports. So to develop a web report, we need a source. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So the source means like where all the data is storing. Let's say suppose sales, where all the
Yeah.
data is stored. Basically, the sales is like which we store the data in a different fact table and dimension table. Okay. So in the current market, so you can see the databases as Oracle is there, SQL Server database is there, Tera database is there, and also we have SAP HANA sources also there and SAP BW system also there.
Okay.
Okay. So in terms of
Yeah.
BW, HANA, so we are going to use all kind of tools in business objects. All kind of the sources we are using.
Okay.
Let's say wherever the BO project is there, wherever SAP project is there, either it is in HANA or BW project is there, so they have to use as a business object to reporting tool. It's a mandatory for okay. But when it comes to the data where they are using as a backend source as a SQL Server or Oracle, if they are using the different database, right? So then again depends on their company. So they will go for either the SQL Server or Oracle database. Based on that, so they can go to some BO tool or ClickView or Tableau or what you said Power BI. They can use any of the reporting. But
Okay.
when it comes to the SAP tool, so 99% of the project, so they use the business object reporting tool.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Yeah. Fine. Thank you.
Yeah. You have any questions?
No. Fine.
Okay. Fine. So in this training, we are going to cover all these list of the topics. So and you are looking for any specific other reporting tool, or I mean, you are fine with the business objects reporting tool.
No. I have to go with the multiple tools. Along with the
Okay.
business object, I'm looking for QLink and Power BI and W three also. As W is
Mm-hmm.
some big market demandable
Okay.
technology. So
But see, for like Tableau or ClickView, what you said is like that is like it is demand is there, but when you compare with Vivo, so it is very less demand. When you compare with Vivo, it is less demand. Okay,
no.
now
I'm
BA,
saying those are advanced tools, but basic fundamental is BO only. Along with the BO, I'm looking for the some advanced reporting tools.
Okay, Tableau, ClickView, it is a separate tool. It's not considered that Tableau is advanced tool. Okay,
Yeah.
in a business objects, in a business object, how the Tableau works is the Lumira is also similarly it will work. Okay, Lumira is one of the tool in business objects, and when you are telling about the ClickView, so how the ClickView is works like Design Studio is similar to the ClickView. Okay. So this is something like which is a dashboard tool, Lumira and dashboard tool, and all SAP project. So when you go to the SAP project, ClickView and Tableau they will not consider as a reporting tool. So they will go for business objects only. When it comes to the SAP project, when you go to any of the SAP project, they will consider reporting tool as a business objects only. Either they will go for a Lumira, or they will go for a Design Studio, or they can go for the web intelligence report. But the Tableau and the ClickView they will not consider. Okay. But yes, as you said, Tableau, ClickView they consider most of the non-SAP project where the Oracle and ClickView where they are used. Sometimes they will go for a Tableau also, ClickView also.
Okay.
Specifically for SAP project, they will not consider the Tableau and ClickView. But in terms of BI tools, yes. So BI tools like whatever you said, Tableau, ClickView, all the tools will come under the BI tools. Okay.
So the finally
all are the independent tools. All are the independent tools.
Yeah, correct.
So where the Tableau who are Tableau expert, they do not know anything about the business object. So that means a person is a Tableau expert. That means he might have a basic knowledge of the BO. No, it is a separate tool. So we are into the Tableau developer. They are into the ClickView developer. So we are into only the BO developers. Okay.
Okay.
We are going to consider.
Okay. So we are going to consider the crystal reports also, right? And finally, you will be going to help us on interview questions and CV preparation also.
Correct. So we are going to cover the rich client tool. We are going to design the universe using the IDT and UDT, how to develop a reports on top of the BW system, how to create a reports on top of SAP HANA. And also we are going to use the SAP SQL Server and Microsoft Access DB to develop a universe. And also we are going to cover the project migration and also how to promote the reports from the development system to the quality system to the production. And also we are discussing the administration part as well. Okay, so in this training, so you will be expert in a development part as well as the administrative part. Okay, I'm going to cover as admin as well as the development part. Okay, and also we'll discuss the dashboards, Excel CS dashboard, and also we have a crystal report discussion we are doing, how to schedule a report, how to do the publication, and what are the new features of the business objects. Okay, and also we'll cover the Design Studio, Lumira, and some of the interview questions like normally mock-up interview questions, nothing but say when you are attending the interviews, can you please tell me the complex part which you implemented in your project? Okay, what is your project architecture? Okay, and so tell me what kind of complex reports which you implemented, and tell me what are the complex calculation you implemented. Tell me the complex inverse designing you implemented, and tell me how you can improve the performance of the reports. So and what kind of errors you come across and how to resolve it. Okay, what are the product issues which you face when you're talking with the customer, when you gathering the requirement with the customer. There are certain things which cannot be done with the BO also. So how that kind of things, how you handle that kind of project. So that kind of interview questions we will explain, and also you will get a practical knowledge. It's not just I'm explaining. So once the training is completed, you will come across all kind of complex knowledge which you can explain in your interview. And also I will help you in a resume preparation, and also in case if you are interested certification exam preparation, that also will do. Okay. And the job support is something like once you get into the job, if you are facing some issues, right, so that will help you out or some resolving your project issues. Okay. So these are all 20 topics I'm going to cover. and maybe you can talk with RVH team, so they will give you detailed course content, detailed course curriculum they will share with you.
Okay.
Okay. Fine. You have any questions? You have any other questions?
Not now. As per the course content. Okay. I'm going forward.
Okay. Yeah. You just go through the course curriculum. So maybe we can have a regular training from tomorrow if you are okay with that. So we can start the regular training. Maybe I will update with
Yeah. Can you share this course content once?
yeah. RVH people they will share it. I mean Subhash will share with you. And what is your available time to attend a regular training?
It could be morning is better for me.
What
As
about
today
9 o'clock in the morning? 9 o'clock in the morning?
IST, right?
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Fine. I'm okay.
You are in India or you are outside India?
No, I'm outside, but I will be coming to India by next week.
Okay. So let's have a session tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Okay.
Yes, sure.
9 in the morning, 9 a.m. IST. Okay.
Share the course content along with any further information for me to understand and go through this before start, so that it is easy for me to understand initial level.
You need not to worry. So you can able to understand tomorrow. I'm going to start with the web intelligence session, web intelligence reporting tool. So that time I will explain end to end how the reporting tool works.
Okay. Thank you.
Then later we will share the material documentation that all will do it for my one.
Okay. So we will start tomorrow, right? We'll drop
9
off today.
o'clock. We'll drop off today, and tomorrow 9 o'clock we'll have it. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Madhu.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, thank you.